What's up guys, my name is Jerry from Cherry Auto Detailing, and I'm going to show you what we use and how we clean this Chevy Silverado. Make my way around the vehicle, you can see all the dirt marks on the paint, including the wheel wells. We perform a maintenance cleaning once a month on this beautiful Silverado. The paint on the exterior is in perfect condition. The interior just needs a typical vacuum, light scrubbing, and wipe down. And of course, we use 303 aerospace protectant as a final dressing to increase the longevity of the vinyl, plastic, and rubber. The chemicals we'll be using on this vehicle is Optimum No Rinse on the exterior, then a nice layer of butter wet wax by Chemical Guys as a final protective layer. For the rims and wheels, we'll be using the pressure washer to knock off all that mud and dirt that's stuck on the rims and on the wheel wells. The chemicals will be Diablo Wheel Gel by Wheel Cleaner by Chemical Guys, dressing it with McGuire's Hot Wheel Shine, and also providing a protective wax to the rims. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up or a like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Alright, let's get on with the show.
got done detailing the Silverado. Please give us a thumbs up and a like. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe.